Let's be brutally honest. Every one of us has that one habit. Maybe it's doom scrolling at 2 a.m., maybe it's binge eating, or checking your ex's profile every 15 minutes. You know it's destroying your potential, you want to quit. You try. But then, you do it again? Why?
Because you're fighting the wrong enemy. And today, in just 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to destroy that habit like a sniper. No fluff, no BS, just raw, powerful truth. Let's go. Identify the real trigger. You don't have a habit problem. You have a trigger problem.
Every habit is a loop. Trigger, right arrow behavior, right arrow reward. Example. You feel stressed, right arrow. You scroll Instagram, right arrow. You feel a relief for 3 minutes. But guess what? The real addiction is to the escape. Not the ape. Not the food. Not the porn. It's the escape from discomfort. Want to kill the habit? Kill the trigger. Identify what emotion or situation causes it. Boredom, stress, loneliness. Write it down. Call it out. That's your enemy. Interrupt the pattern immediately next time the urge hits. Do this. 5-second rule hack. Count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then do a completely different action. Take a cold shower. Walk outside. Scream into a pillow. Whatever flips the pattern. Why? Because habits live in your body, not just your brain. Not just your brain. You must physically interrupt the behavior loop. Every time you break it, you weaken the neural pathway. Do this 5 times and your brain will begin to forget the addiction. Replace, don't remove. You can't just remove a bad habit. You must replace it. Replace TikTok with journaling. 2. Replace junk food with protein. Replace gossip with gratitude. Habits don't die, they transform. Your brain still craves a reward, so give it one. A healthier one, a powerful one. And repeat it. Over and over. You're not lazy, you're not broken. You just never learned how to fight like this. So from now on, you don't try to quit. You understand the trigger. You interrupt the loop. You replace the behavior. And you do it like your life depends on it. Because it actually does. Now go kill that habit. Permanently. Permanently.